As you know, guys, we're still working on the Aston Martin. So this is, we got now the seats, we done the back bumper, the carbon fiber, the scratch on the bumper as well. Alloy wheel has been done. This is the seat. The seat is a cream color. You can see it, it's too dirty. You got black stuff, you got some cracks on it, and it's a bit patchy. You can see black and cream together. Lots of dirt on it. So basically I just want to show you how to clean it, and even the handrest as well, it's quite dirty. So I want to show you that how it's gonna be done. Now you can see the difference. It's absolutely clean, but one issue, this is being worn. So because he's go in out, so this is completely gone. So that's need painted or replacing that bit, but the rest of it, all the dirt is just gone. Unbelievable. Look at the handrest, so clean as well. So this is something you can do at home. If you got similar leather or white leather, so you can get that spray and then you spray on it, wait the 20 seconds and wipe it off. But of course you have to stress on it, you have to wipe it hard to get rid of all the blackness, all the patchy, the blackness is just gone. Amazing. It's absolutely worth it to try yourself at home.